Code P0420 Toyota possible causes. 1. Gas leak from exhaust system. 2. Faulty three-way catalyst converter bank 1. 3. Faulty air-fuel ratio, AF, sensor bank 1, sensor 1 or front sensor or upstream sensor. 4. Faulty heated oxygen sensor bank 1, sensor 2 or rear sensor or downstream sensor. 5. Faulty fuel injector. Code P0420 Tech Notes. As the code description implies, the P0420 code means that the vehicle's engine control module, ECM, has detected that the three-way catalyst converter is not working properly, it is not as efficient as the factory is expecting. Replacing the oxygen, O2, sensors may sometimes fix the code, but in most cases, the three-way catalyst converter needs to be replaced to fix the problem. If the P0420 code is combined with other codes, try fixing the other codes first. Visually inspect the related wiring harness and connectors. Check for damaged components and look for broken, bent, pushed out, or corroded connectors pins.